Hello everyone, my name is Ash Tiwari and I hold the Royal Academy of Engineering and Airbus Research Chair in Digital Manufacturing at the University of Sheffield. I'm a mechanical and manufacturing engineer, and for the last 25 years I have been working in partnership with industry to develop and deliver new techniques and solutions for instrumentation, in-process monitoring, and real-time simulation of skill-intensive manufacturing processes. In simple terms, this means collecting data from the factory shop floor through the use of sensors, using that data to monitor the processes in real time and make adjustments, and finally looking for trends in the data so that we can predict and arrest any quality problems even before they actually happen. The goal is to deliver step increases in manufacturing productivity through the use of digitalization. My interest in manufacturing has led me into engineering. I have always been fascinated by how complex engineering products such as aircrafts, cars and engines are designed and built. I am particularly excited by the opportunities that latest advances in digital technologies present for new engineering products and services. I'm most proud about the instances when my research has been able to make a positive impact on the manufacturing industry through its absorption on the factory shop floor. Examples range from IoT instrumentation of legacy manufacturing facility at a small enterprise to setting up a new flexible production line that is able to manufacture multiple product types with minimal disruption. I'm passionate about training people for manufacturing research and hope to continue inspiring more and more people to join me in the exciting world of engineering. I'm honored to be elected as a Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering, and I look forward to contributing to the Academy's work. Thank you.